Are you also facing the challenge that not all transactions are available as tiles in your Fiori Launchpad? Today we will show you how to Fiorize classic SAP GUI transactions and create tiles for transactions to make them accessible in the Fiori Launchpad using XAMS. To ensure Fiori access, even for transactions that don't have native Fiori equivalents. In many cases, traditional SAP GUI transactions have Fiori equivalents. For example, app F3163 serves as the SAP Fiori app of transaction code BP. This mapping is essential for organizations following a Fiori First or Fiori Only approach. However, some transactions do not have a native Fiori counterpart. To make these available in the Fiori Launchpad, we can Fiorize them. This means wrapping the original transaction in a Fiori-style tile, allowing it to be launched from the Fiori Launchpad while retaining its original functionality. When we Fiorize a transaction, we are technically creating a custom Fiori app. Therefore, these apps must be published in a technical catalog to be referenced in business catalogs and assigned to roles. Before Fiorizing, we start by creating the technical catalogs using the Role Replicator in our SAP system. This is following a process similar to business catalog creation in XAMS. We upload a CSV file with the following required fields: catalog name, package name, and catalog description. Once created, this technical catalog becomes the container for our Fiorize transaction in the following steps. Let's now move to the UID Applications report within Role Replicator. This is where we create Fiorized apps, meaning we create SAP Fiori tiles for the desired transactions we can use in our business catalogs. There are two options: create a single app manually ad hoc, or use the bulk upload feature for multiple transactions. For the upload, we prepare an Excel file with the following columns. Semantic object. Keep in mind that the definition must exist and it can be easily created using the transaction/UI2/semantic object. Semantic action. Transaction code to be Fiorized. Name of the technical catalog. Package name. Tile subtitle, which is optional, and the tile information, which is also optional. Once your CSV file has been saved and uploaded successfully, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the transaction Fiorization is complete. Once the upload is complete, we switch to Content Manager to verify the result. Our Fiorized transaction now appears as a GUI type app in Content Manager. After being added to a role, our test user has the necessary authorizations to access the app in the Fiori Launchpad. When we log in, we now see the new tile, providing Fiori-style access to the classic GUI transaction. To summarize, now you can easily grant access to all previously used transactions on a Fiori interface by just converting transactions with no Fiori equivalent into usable tiles on the Launchpad. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.